Elon Musk reveals insane new company soon. Elon Musk's brain-machine interface company, Neuralink, has raised $205 million from investors including Google Ventures, Peter Thiel's Founders Fund, and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Hello and welcome to Power Tech. Today we will see how the tech billionaire and entrepreneur Elon Musk, who's busy doing everything futuristic, is coming forth with yet another company which has the potential to change the world for good. Neuralink Corporation is a neurotechnology company developing implantable brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, and founded by Elon Musk and others. The company's headquarters is in Pioneer Building in San Francisco, sharing offices with another of Musk's foundation, OpenAI. Neuralink was launched in 2016 and was first publicly reported in March 2017. Since its founding, the company has hired several high-profile neuroscientists from various universities. By July 2019, it had received $158 million in funding, of which $100 million was from Musk, and was employing a staff of 90 employees. At that time, Neuralink announced that it was working on a sewing machine-like device capable of implanting very thin, 4 to 6 in width, threads into the brain, and demonstrated a system that reads information from a lab rat via 1,500 electrodes. They had anticipated starting experience with humans in 2020, but have since moved to that projected in 2021. Total investment in the company now stands at $363 million. Neuralink was founded in 2016 by Elon Musk, Mac Hodak, Ben Rappaport, Dojing Seao, Paul Merola, Philip Sabes, Tim Gardner, Tim Hansen, and Vanessa Tolasa. A group of experts in areas such as neuroscience, biochemistry, and robotics, the trademark Neuralink was purchased from its previous owners in January of 2017. In April 2017, Neuralink announced that it was aiming to make devices to treat serious brain diseases in short term, with the eventual goal of human enhancement, sometimes called transhumanism. Musk has said the interest in the idea partly stemmed from the science fiction concept of neural lace and the fictional universe and the culture, a series of 10 novels by Ian M. Banks. Musk defined the neural lace as a digital layer above the cortex that would not necessarily imply extensive surgical insertion, but ideally an implant through a vein or artery. Musk explained that the long-term goal is to achieve symbiosis with artificial intelligence, which he perceives as an existential threat to humanity if it goes unchecked. As of 2020, Neuralink is headquartered in San Francisco's Mission District, sharing the Pioneer Building with OpenAI, another company co-founded by Musk. Jared Birchall, the head of Musk's family's office, was listed as CEO, CFO, and president of Neuralink in 2018. As of September 2018, Musk was a majority owner of Neuralink but did not hold an executive position. By August 2020, only 3 of the 8 founding scientists remained at the company, according to an article by Stat News which reported that Neuralink had seen years of internal conflict and which rush timelines have clashed with the slow of incremental pace of science. In April 2021, Neuralink demonstrated a monkey playing the game Pong using the Neuralink implant. While similar technology has existed since 2002, when a research group first demonstrated a monkey moving a computer cursor with neural signals, scientists acknowledged the engineering progress in making the implement wireless and increasing the number of implement electrodes. In May of 2021, co-founder and president Matt Hodak announced that he no longer works with the company. Several neurology scientists have commented on the intention of Musk's and members of Neuralink to build a brain-computer interface. The response from the science community has been mixed. Several neuroscientists and publications, including MIT Technology Review, have criticized some claims made by Musk in retaliation to the technology. At a live demonstration in August 2020, Musk described one of the early devices as a Fitbit in your skull, which you could soon cure paralysis, deafness, blindness, and other disabilities. Many neuroscientists and publications criticize these claims. For example, MIT Technology Review described them as highly speculative and a neuroscience theater. Mary Lou Jepson, founder of Open Water, a company that also works in the area of brain-computer interfaces, has expressed concern about the rejection reactions that probes can cause. Professor Andrew Jackson, professor of neural interfaces at Newcastle University, commented that he didn't think there was anything revolutionary in Neuralink's pig implant presentation, but that the wireless features were nice. Thiago Arzura in Medical College of Wisconsin argued Neuralink has showed little more than a flashy new design for a BMI with more electrodes. Neuralink tests their devices by surgically implanting them in brains of live monkeys, pigs, and other animals. These methods have been criticized by groups such as PETA. Founded in 2016, Neuralink is trying to develop high-bandwidth brain implants that can communicate with phones and computers. The company is targeting its first devices at quadriplegics who were unable to interact with many of today's devices, and it's working toward human trials, although its scheduled trials had to be pushed to a later schedule. The first indication this device is intended for is to help quadriplegics regain their digital freedom by allowing users to interact with their computers or phones in a high bandwidth or naturalistic way, it wrote. So far, technology has been trialed on pigs and a monkey that was able to play the video game Pong with its mind. The company said its first product, known as In1Link, will be completely invisible once implanted and transmitted data via wireless connection. The funds from the round will be used to take Neuralink's first product to market and accelerate the research and development of future products, Neuralink said. Neuralink said Thursday that its mission is to develop brain-machine interfaces and treat various brain-related ailments, with the eventual goal of creating a whole brain interface capable of more closely connecting biological and artificial intelligence. AI is only going to get smarter, and Musk has previously said that Neuralink's technology could one day allow humans to go along for the ride. People in effect are already cyborgs because they have T digital layer thanks to phones, computers, and applications, he said during a Clubhouse discussion in February. With a direct neural interface, we can improve the bandwidth between your cortex and your digital hereditary layer by many orders of magnitude, said Musk. I'd say probably at least 1,000 or maybe even 10,000 or more. The cortex is a part of the brain that plays a key role in memory, attention, perpetual awareness, thought, language, and consciousness. The digital layer he refers to could be anything from a person's iPhone to their Twitter account. Long term, Musk claims that Neuralink could allow humans to send concepts to one another using telepathy and exist in a safe state. After they die, they can be put into a robot or another human. He acknowledged that he was delving into sci-fi territory yet again. Several other companies are developing brain-computer interfaces, including BlackRock Neurotech, which has been backed by the Thiel and his friend Christian Angermeyer. Elsewhere, scientists at the University of Melbourne have already had some success with brain-computer interfaces and have already been working on this kind of technology since a long time ago. A study out of the university in October showed two humans controlling a computer throughout thought using a Stentrode, a small stent-mounted electrode array developed by Australian biotech from Synchron, without having to shave the skull and drill through it. The Strinko brain-computer interface allowed two people with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a rare neurological disease, to type, text, email, and do online banking and shop online throughout thought. Well, this surely sounds cool and even insane, and we are thinking it will revolutionize the entire world in coming years. With all the technological advancements this world is going through right now, Tesla and Elon Musk definitely want to stand out among the crowd and build everything and anything that will make the human race a more prominent force in terms of technology.